Okay, now what we want to do is draw this isometric view over here. This is top front view here. So let's go check out the web and see what that file looks like. Okay, this is the feature we got to draw now. And everything's drawn at basically a 30-degree angle, so it's actually pretty easy to do, mainly because we're using AutoCAD, and secondly because we went ahead and we changed our how we track in our orthographic. So let's go look at that again. So we come up here, we select on, let's see here, right here, polar tracking. On our polar tracking, we have set it to 30, 60, 90, and 120. That makes life a lot easier. Okay, so we got that done. Next thing we need to do is go ahead and come up here and change which layer we're working on. We're going to select on that view there. We're going to unlock that one, unlock it. We're going to go ahead and lock this one ahead of us right there so we don't draw anything on the ISO layer. And we'll go ahead and accept it. Now I'm going to go place line, and I'm going to start here. And if you notice, because I got my polar tracking set with 30 degrees, all I got to do is key in 2 and come up here and key in 0.75, because again I'm going opposite. And I can come up here and I'll go to 1.25, put that in, come down here again to 0.75, hit enter, and then come down to here and snap off right there. Okay, that's pretty good. So now what we're going to do is just go ahead and use our copy command, which is this guy right here, and we're going to select that one to copy. Actually, let's see if we can get 2 at a time. Let's see if I can get this one. I hit copy, it says select objects. I'm just going to do this, get them both. Okay, hit spacebar, come down here and grab this one, and we'll find that little green snap box there, and we'll do that. Okay, that's good for now. We'll come back to this in a moment. Well, dinner was really good, so glad you're patient with me on that. Let's finish drawing this ISO. Okay, let's go up here and get the copy command, and we're going to select that guy right there. We're going to select the copy command. All right, I'll go ahead and accept that. I'm going to start over. Must have did something wrong here. Select object. Okay, I did that. Grab the start point. Okay, we get it right there. Come over here to this one, get that one right there as well. All right, that looks pretty good. What we want to do now is going back to the ISO in the drawing. We know that it's 0.75 going that way, so let's figure that out. So what we're going to do is come back to the AutoCAD, and we'll roll up on this, pan down, and what we're going to do is we're going to let's do an offset. That's easier. Hit offset, and actually, yeah, we'll do offset, and we're going to say 0.75, enter. So we'll grab this guy here, come over 0.75. All right, looks good. Now what we need to do is need to offset 0.375. So we're going to go 0.375, and we'll select this guy here, and we'll come up, and we'll come down here with this one and select him. All right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do an extend, which is hidden behind the trim, and I'm going to select these objects here, and I'll enter, click on that, take it up there. I'll come up here, escape, go back to trim, and I'll select these objects here, and I'll trim him out. Okay, he's gone. All right, let's come up here and let's do the escape out of that. Let's do the trim again, and we're going to go ahead and clean all this up. Hit accept that, and we're going to trim him, trim him, trim him, and hit escape, grab him, and just hit delete. All right, let's go back to the copy command, this one right here, and we're going to select this object here, hit enter. We'll select our base point, come up here to this, and we'll copy it up there to that as well. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and hit the copy command again, and we're going to select this object here, enter, select that, move it over here, and put it in there, and escape, and we're going to go ahead and select copy command again, grab this guy, and enter, and we'll select it off this orientation here, come up, put it there. Okay, now let's roll up on this a little bit. We got a lot to clean up here, so let's get that going. So I'm going to select all this, and get that one as well, and I think that's good enough. We're going to hit trim. Actually, let's do this again. Escape, We'll get, we'll start here, scroll over to like right there, get all of those, hit our trim command, get rid of that one, this one here, and hit escape. That looks like we got it all. Okay, we got one last thing to get rid of, and that's that vertical anchor line we left over from the orthographic. So first thing first, save the file, come up to our pull down here, let's go to ISO parts, let's unlock ISO parts, unlock it, let's hit our erase command, get rid of that, erase, and it's gone. Excellent. So hit escape there, and let's go back up here to this, and we'll lock that one and lock that one, and come down here and get ready for dimensioning. Okay, that's good. We've got our isometric drawn, we've got our top, front, right drawn, and all that really is left to do is to dimension this guy up. All right, let's go on to the next video.